Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we have a list of top 10 anime where the main character is underestimated but surprise everyone with his power. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to leave a like, and if you are new, please subscribe to our channel. So without any further delay, let's begin. Number 10, Armed Blue Gunvolt. In the near future, there are people with a special power called Sevens. It seems like the country has maintained peace by a company called Simuragi Group, but they are the one who captured the people with a special power by force and did inhuman experiments. Gunvolt, the main character who has the power of Sevens, used to be in Feather, a resistant group who fought against the Simuragi Group. The story begins with meeting the heroine, Sian. Number 9. Bem. Young detective Sonia Summers has been transferred to the outskirts of the port city Libra after stirring up trouble with her superiors. Libra is separated into two sectors, the upper, the center of wealth and politics, and the outside. The outside is home to crime, corruption, and curious incidents involving monstrosities or yokai. Each case that Sonia works on seems to implicate that involvement of these mysterious creatures. Sonia crosses paths with three peculiar humanoid yokai, Bem, Bella, and Bello, who seek to protect humans and fight against the evil yokai that terrorize them. Living as yokai Ningen, they are excluded by other yokai for their human lifestyles and rejected and heard by humans when they reveal their true forms. Despite the hardships they face, these three yokai Ningen secretly live among humans, continuing to pursue their dreams of one day becoming human as well. Number 8. Angolmois Record of Mongol Invasion. In the 13th century, the Mongolian Empire rapidly expands across the globe. Later, historians who studied the prophecies of Nostradamus would say that Mongolian was the birthplace of the great king of terror. Angolmois and at last the force of the Mongolian Empire would turn their attention towards Japan. This story is the fresh look at the great battle that rocked all of medieval Japan, the Mongol invasion. It shows how the people of Tsushima panicked, struggled, and eventually rose up against the overwhelming forces of their enemy. Number 7. Vinland Saga. Young Thorfinn grew up listening to the stories of old sailors that had traveled the ocean and reached the place of legend, Vinland. It's said to be warm and fertile, a place where there would be no need for fighting, not at all like the frozen village in Iceland where he was born, and certainly not like his current life as a mercenary. War is his home now, though his father once told him, "You have no enemies, nobody does. There is nobody who it's okay to hurt." As he grew, Thorfinn knew that nothing was further from the truth. The war between England and the Danes grew worse with each passing year. Death has become commonplace, and the Viking mercenaries are loving every moment of it. Allying with either side will cause a massive swing in the balance of power, and the Vikings are happy to make names for themselves and take any spoils that earn along the way. Among the chaos, Thorfinn must take his revenge and kill Askeladd, the man who murdered his father. The only Number 6. Darker Than Black. In Tokyo, an impenetrable field known as Hell's Gate appeared 10 years ago. At the same time, psychics who wield paranormal powers at the cost of their conscience also emerged. Hei is one of the most powerful of these psychic agents, and along with his blind associate Yin, works for one of the many rival agencies vying to unlock the mysteries of Hell's Gate. Number 5. Trickster. It is the 2030s. The Boy Detective Club gather around Kogoro Akechi, the mysterious detective. The group solves cases great and small using their unique skills. One day, a member of the club, Kensuke Hanazaki, meets a boy, Yoshio Kobayashi. Kobayashi's body cannot die due to the effect of the unidentifiable mist, but he yearns for death and shirks from contact with other people. Taking an interest in him, Hanazaki invites him to join the Boy Detectives Club. Their meeting is connected to the fate tying together Kogoro Akechi and the era's greatest villain, the Fiend with 20 faces. Number 4. The Kubikuri Cycle. Due to a mysterious disease, the genius Ilya Kagami has been forced by her family to stay in a mansion on the isolated Wet Crow's Feather Island with only a handful of mates. To keep herself entertained, Ilya invites a variety of fellow geniuses to stay as guests in her home, including computer savant Tomo and her unnamed assistant, skilled fortune teller, famous artist, academic scholar, and renowned cook. These visits progress as normal until one of the guests is found gruesomely murdered in the night without a single clue as to the identity of the killer or a possible motive. Tensions rise between those on the island as the killer remains at large, and Tomo's assistant takes it upon himself to uncover the culprit's identity before the murderous events progress any further. Number 3. Princess Resurrection. When hero Hirimi tries to save a beautiful young woman from certain death, he ends up a dead hero himself. However, since the drop-dead girl is Haim, daughter of the king of monsters, his reward is to come back as a not quite living soldier in her honor guard of horror. That means helping fight off the army of supernatural monstrosities Haim's siblings are unleashing against her in hopes of moving up the ladder of succession. Number 2. Terror in Resonance. In an alternative iteration of the present, two teenage boys who go by the names 9 and 12 steal a prototype atomic bomb in an apparent terrorist attack. Calling themselves Snakes, they upload a video onto the internet and threaten to destroy Tokyo City unless a cryptic riddle can be solved. They are survivors of a secret experiment by the Rising Peace Academy to develop orphaned children with Seventh Syndrome into human weapons. They befriend Lisa, a lonely schoolgirl who becomes caught up in the plans to expose the nefarious activities of the organization. Number 1. Jormungand. Brought up in a conflict ridden environment, child soldier Jonathan or Jonah hates weapons and those who deal them. But when Coco, an international arms dealer, takes on Jonah as one of her bodyguards, he has little choice but to take up arms. Along with Coco's other bodyguards, composed mostly of former special ops soldiers, Jonah is now tasked with protecting Coco and her overly idealistic goal of world peace from the countless dangers that comes from her line of work. Jormungand follows Coco, Jonah, and the rest of crew as they travel the world selling weapons under the International Shipping Company (HCLI). As Coco's work is illegal under international law, she is forced to constantly sidestep both local and international authorities while doing business with armies and private militaries. With the CIA always hot on her trail and assassins around every corner, Jonah and the crew must guard Coco and her dream of world peace with their lives or die trying. That's it for today's video. I hope you like it, and please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe the channel. If you are new, remember to hit the notification button for any more upcoming videos.